Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a new great add-on for the Blender. The name of the add-on is Quick Mesure, and before we start I want to show you the big disadvantage for the Blender standard measure tool. Yes, in the edit mode we have the measure tool and actually it works fine, everything is here, we can measure. But if we select some other tool, as you can see now, everything will disappear. And for example, if we want to delete these old measurements, we need to go to the view bar, find the rules data, delete them, and only in this way we can delete this measurement. And the add-on Quick Measure will help us to create measurements in some very quick way. First of all, let's enable it. I go into the edit preference, and I already have this add-on installed, so I just need to turn it on. And here I have some nodes with the hotkeys for this add-on. And what actually we can do? First of all, this add-on works in any mode, in any tool, with any tool, and we can create, for example, quick measurement. What it means? I can press Alt Ctrl left mouse button and create the measurement with the snapping, but this measurement is quick, so after the measurement it will be disappear. It's very useful when you just want to measure something and then you don't want to save this data. If we want to measure something and save this measurement, we need to use Alt Ctrl Shift hotkeys. But as you can see, we can see this measurement, but after the pressing, everything is disappear. It's not in this case, but if we press Alt Shift X, and we will see this measurement. And Alt Shift X, it's a toggle button to show and hide the measurements. So if you want just see this measurement every time, we just need to be in this mode. If we want to hide everything, we press Alt Shift X again, and everything is hidden. Okay, so in my opinion, this add-on is great and more interesting than the standard Blender tool, because this add-on gives us possibility to show and create measurements in more faster way, and we can can create these measurements in any mode with any tool. So it's pretty nice. I like it. Thank you very much for the watching. Goodbye.